Hey guys and gals out there, this is RockinRaffi bringing you another edition of RockinRaffi's Home Cooking. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're here for the first time, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button right down below. And thanks for joining me on this beautiful summer day. Today's episode, we're gonna get lean, we're gonna get mean, we're gonna become like a grilling machine. Barbecue grilling, that is. We're gonna be grilling one of the most delicate, tender meats out there in the world. It's called Filet Mignon. Filet Mignon is a French word that translates into tender, delicate, or fine fillet. It's a steak out of beef from the smaller end of a tenderloin of the cow. We're gonna make a gourmet Filet Mignon sandwich. And without further ado, if you're ready, I'm ready, let's get our grill on. Let's start off by chopping some sweet onions, julienne style cut, and throw it inside the skillet, sauteing them with 2 tablespoons of butter until it's golden brown and caramelized. Let's add some sliced mushrooms. You could use any mushrooms, whether it's white or crimini. I'm preferring to use crimini for this particular occasion. And let it blend well together with the onions, giving it some steam so the mushrooms need to shrink down in size a bit. And now you can add your favorite dry red wine. We want to make a reduction out of this red wine in the onion and the mushroom, allowing the alcohol to burn off and get evaporated so that there's no liquid left. And the onion and the mushroom have soaked up all the flavor of that red wine. Now that we have this ready to go, put it off to the side and let's go ahead and make our Dijon mustard spread. Use 4 tablespoons of light mayo, use 4 tablespoons of your favorite Dijon mustard, and we're basically using one of our favorites. Mix this well together and also add some black peppercorn crushed to taste. Now comes the best part, preparing the king of all meats, the filet mignon. Let's cut the filet 1 inch thick and prepare the filet with rubbing olive oil, black pepper, and sea salt. The filet already is full of flavor, so this is all it needs. It doesn't need anything else. Wrap it up with saran wrap tightly and put it in the fridge until you turn on your grill, one side on high heat and the other side on low heat. Now you can remove the filet mignon from the fridge and let it sit to room temperature until the grill reaches about 500 degrees. Grease your grill plates with an oil spray, then slap down that filet on that high heat side first. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, then turn for another 2 to 3 minutes. Check out those grill marks. And then transfer it to a low heat side of the grill so that the meat cooks on the inside and doesn't burn the outside. Remove the filet mignon 5 degrees before your desired range because it will still continue to cook after you've removed it. Take your ciabatta bread, slice it in half, like so. Now, let's toast that ciabatta. Spray some olive oil on both sides on the inside of that bread and throw it on the grill until it gets a slight color. And now we're ready to assemble our sandwich. And here it is, the grilled filet mignon gourmet sandwich. As you can see, we topped it off with some grilled, awesome, infused in red wine and mushroom. We got ourselves the tomato, the microgreens, and some spinach. Perfect for any day of the summer. Now this is something I'm looking forward to dive into. What are we waiting for? Let's cut this up. Let's see how it looks. Looks really good. I'm looking forward to now getting a taste of it. Oh wow. Oh wow. Perfect. The Dijon mustard dressing has a beautiful kick to it, but when it has a little spice to it, it just kicks it up even better. This filet mignon, very soft, very tender. I mean, it's like you're biting into it. It's not like anything I've ever had before. Other steak sandwiches are rough, and you bite into it and you keep on chewing and chewing and chewing. This one, not even. This one just goes in, one bite, and it's smooth like cotton candy. Even Ducky wants some. Right, Ducky? See, I told you. We've paired this up with actually the same red wine that I used to marinate our grilled onions and our mushroom. Cheers to that. And that just wraps up today's episode on this beautiful blue sky sunny day. It's perfect to jump in the pool. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. I want to know what your take is on this filet mignon sandwich. Share with your friends and family. And most importantly, hit that bell. You want to hit that bell so you're notified when my next videos upload. And until next time, keep on rocking.